Okay, so we're back again. So now we're going to start off with workshop 11. So we need to open up our previous file. So open workshop 10. So this is where we would have left off last time. Now, the first page of this particular workshop, it's pretty dull and boring. Basically, all it's going and doing is showing you the calendar, that chart, network diagram. This one's actually pretty cool because you get a different perspective of what you're having a look at. Because like if you actually notice, you have like they're all in line with each other. So you have your research, and then you have your what was it after research? Was it like estimate? It makes it bigger. And then you also had your proposal, and like if you actually notice, they're all in line with each other. So if you go straight across, those ones are all your estimates, and then all these ones, which come down later down the track and stuff, are your proposals and whatnot, which is pretty cool. And so I'll just scroll through that. For some reason, alright, it's because I still have my filters on. But yeah, like if this was the entire thing, there would be more, which is pretty cool. Then you also have like your task usage, which I don't even think they tell us to look at because it's completely retarded. And your relationship diagrams. So, where is it? Relationship diagram. Well, anyways, so let's go back to that chart, and then we're going to display. So we're going to split screen, and so we want to display the relationship diagram view in the bottom pane and scroll around the schedule by double clicking on the top and bottom pane. So we want, what is it? Relationship diagram. View, more views, relationship diagram, apply. I don't know exactly what they're trying to get us to do here, mainly because that's all I see really. Right, okay. Okay, I see what it does. I didn't really play around with this too much before. But yeah, just clicking on different things will show you different prospects and stuff. Pretty boring. Anyways. So now we're going to apply the following tables to the first we need to go to the task usage, task details, more views, task details, task details. There we go. Okay, and we want to show resources in that. It'll become. I'll show you why we want it on that one later when we continue down this path. Anyways, we want to select the top pane, and we want to go to our views, new views, and then we're going to apply scheduling. So this is again is just showing us all the different things. Entry. And what was the last one? Tracking. So it's just pretty much showing you the different things that this thing can do. So now we're going to start getting onto what we really want to get onto, because we're going to create a combination view. This will show critical tasks in the upper pane and the task details in the lower pane. So to do this, we go back into this thing here and go down to more tables. So if you go Alt V V N, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy our entry table. We go to entry, copy, and then we're going to call that critical. Critical. C-R-I-T-I-C-A-L. Yeah, awesome. Now I believe we want to get rid of duration because we want ID, indicators, name, start, finish, total slack, and so we want to delete that row. We want to delete predecessors. We want to delete that row. We want to delete resource names. So that's what we should be left with. Now, what we want to do here is just go OK, because we don't want to show this in the menu. Because what's going to happen is when we make our top and our critical top pane and our critical bottom pane, we'll actually link it together. So we don't really want to see this by itself at any point. So close that. Okay, close that. Now go Alt V, and now we want more tables again. And we go New. Is it new? No, that's not right. What am I trying to do? Create a single pane view. Ah, right, we want more views, not more tables. Sorry about that. The view, more views. There we go. Sorry about that before. Now we'll name this one critical top. Screen will be that critical. See, this is where we made the table just before. The group complete and incomplete tasks, and the filter will be critical, which we made before. And we don't want show in menu clicked, so we do that, and then we go create another new one, single view, critical. And we want that one to be task details form. And our filter will be all tasks. And we don't want to show that in the menu either. And now what we do is we create a combination view of the two. So we go name critical combination. Top view will be top critical top pane. This one will be critical bottom pane. Okay, and this one we want to show in the menu, and we go OK. And then we apply it, and this is what you get. Now I know what was it? So if you actually have a look, this is the exact same thing that's on the sheet. It's just that on the sheet, I believe, it just cuts off quite a bit. I don't know why, but that's what's supposed to be there. And as you can see, everything's there. So you have the predecessor names and all that sort of stuff, and then you have the successor names on the side. And so it's just showing you all the different things, the relations between the two. And yeah, so that's workshop 11 for you. Okay, have a good one.